It's late November now, and some frosts are predicted for the next couple of days. And we've decided to dig up the last of our plants that can maybe go down to freezing or a little bit below. But our nerve is gone, and we're going to get the lot in now. These are Canna Turkhimes, and they've been grown from seed. Paul has grown them from seed this year, and we put them in this tub, and you can see they've really grown quite well. And I think next year we're going to put them in the ground. We've also got this other tub in the corner where we've got some other cannas and this Tetrapanax, which is another one which we're going to put in the greenhouse over this winter, and next year I think we're going to plant him out and leave him out. Now the cannas, they're way too big to store like this, and we're just going to cut them off so we can actually fit them in. These Washingtonias, we've got two of them. You can see one in the left hand corner there, as well as this one I'm dealing with. We're going to put these in the greenhouse as well this year. I don't really know what we're going to do with them next year, because I think they'll be too big. But we can't actually get this big green pot. The idea was to have the green pot and just put it on a sack barrel and wheel it in. It won't actually fit through our new greenhouse door, so we've got to take them out, knock some soil off, and put them into a smaller pot so we can actually get it in the greenhouse. I think last year I get the impression online that people were willing to take the risk with some plants, and maybe this year are being way more cautious, and we're certainly in that group of people. And if anything's even remotely chance of losing it, we're going to try and protect it in some way. Now I've got some Cordylines, some ordinary Cordyline australis, and those, because they took such a heavy hit last year, I'm digging up this one's I think it's Torquay Blaze or Torbay Blazer. This one, this again, I'm not going to take the risk. And these purple ones, I've lost a few of those in the past. They're going to come in. The ordinary green ones, I'm going to just tie up and put some fleece around. This is a Bruce Mansia here, and I'm just going to cut him down so I can get him in the greenhouse. And these bits I'm cutting off, I'm going to try and grow on as cuttings. It's all about maximising the space in the greenhouse and cutting down any plants that you can cut down, like this Arondo here. We can take the top off that quite safely and store him under the bench in the dark. And this cycad palm, which maybe could stay out, we're gonna protect him in the greenhouse as well this year, and just tying the leaves up here, so they're quite spiteful actually to walk past if you're trying to brush past them. So just tying them up in the middle, that won't hurt him at all, and he just release him next year in the spring. I feel we're ready for the winter now.